Hi, I'm Mark. This is Mark's Tech Vlogs on YouTube, and I have just received my new iPhone 12 product red edition. This is 256GB model because I love having all of the space for music. And of course, this is just the regular model. It's not the mini and it's not the pro. So this is going to be an unboxing video so you can see what you get inside this new much slimmer box for the new iPhone, because of course you don't get the charging brick or the earphones this year. And I'm going to bring you a proper review in about a week or two after I've been using the phone as my daily driver for a couple of weeks. So without further ado, let's get this unboxed. Okay, so what I'm going to show you just right at the start is the difference in box size. So of course, this is the box from the iPhone 10 that I currently use, and it's obviously that thick, and this is a box for the new iPhone. So this is a much slimmer box, as you can see. If you look at the box, it's kind of standard Apple wrapped in plastic. Because it's a product red, we've got this red iPhone text on the side, and then just all the usual gumph on the back. So we're going to just open it up by pulling this. And then we're just going to lift this off, and there you can see straight away we've got the product red iPhone. Now I've looked at a few reviews for this already, people who've had their embargoes this and had it early for Apple, and so I was expecting quite a peachy red, and actually this is more red than I was expecting, which is really nice because that's why I wanted the product red one. So because this is product red, we've obviously got the red back, slightly different red on the glass on there, and then the red rims on the camera. And then of course around the edge we've got the red edges as well. And then on the front we've just got this, which I'm just going to peel off. And you can see those red edges as well. So this is a really nice looking phone. Then of course in the box as well we've got our USB-C to Lightning adapter. Which if I'm honest I'm not going to use because I wirelessly charge most of the time. And then we've got the little information booklet, the SIM removal tool, and just one single Apple sticker. So I'm going to get this set up and use it. Of course that'll be really easy with Apple, but just first impressions is it feels lighter than my iPhone 10. I really like this red. This is a really nice red, and I like the contrast between the red of the edges around the cameras and the kind of edge red as well, and I think it's really nice. So I'm going to get this up and running, and I'm going to use it, and I'll bring you guys a proper review in about 2 weeks time.